Good morning, guys. This is our beautiful rat snake. Actually, I make this little tiny house for this snake. Yes, and she going to live here.
Hey guys, so I'm left here. Vanya and Paps went to the city to buy groceries and get some laundry, and then I'm worried about them because since early morning, actually since last night, the rain didn't stop. It stops like few minutes and then it will rain again. And you know, if for those of you who knows, in our situation is if we actually have to cross two rivers, big rivers, so I'm worried about that. Maybe they cannot, hopefully I'm wrong. I hope they can cross the river, but once it continues to rain, the water goes up and it's hard for no vehicles like four wheels can cross the river. So I'm worried. I hope they can cross the river. And then right now I'm cooking. I have nothing to cook except for noodles. So I'm cooking pancit canton. And I will cook eggs later. That's gonna be my lunch. I was waiting for them and they didn't arrive yet, so I have to cook lunch for myself since it's already 1 o'clock. I cannot wait for them. I'm hungry now. Yeah, I'll show you the weather. See, it's gloomy outside. See? Continuous raining. And sometimes strong wind. It feels like it's typhoon, but I'm not sure. So that's it. We marathon.
Nice.
Oh hey guys, you're there. That's so close.
Minchach, szminchach.
Right now, I'm done cooking for lunch, and I don't know where the boys are. Look at Teddy. So right now, we're going to find them. Say hi. Kuchi, kuchi, kuchi. Oy. Look at this house. Okay, so let's find the Coolicoves boys. Look at our papaya. Wow. Okay. Where are they? Still have papayas here. Oops. I'll show you. There are stairs here, like not yet finished. This is going to our secret. We're going to have a project here, hopefully soon, in Jesus' name. Oh, there they are. There they are. I thought they're here, but here. Hey! Kaon na! Oops. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Oops, okay. There's no bees here. Na? Wala. Uy. Ano naman na? Ha? Ah. Pantay atong kuryente. Pantay, Pops.
Little by little, we're going to clean this place.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a difficult one, but the other one is easier. Go.
It's nice to take it off after rain, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Manghaon sa ta? Oh.
And good soil there.
Ay, oo.
Пап, пойдем есть.
So our place is actually,
My pantay na
oh, our border is actually 1 meter pa more. I'll show you the ano. I hope you can see it. I don't think so. Oops.
There's our border. If you see Mohon, it's somewhere there. Somewhere there.
What are you going to do here? Where you're clearing?
Because we're gonna make fence.
Yeah, so here are the steel posts sa bani. Yeah, for fence. Bantay ng kuryente. Uy, imong hands. Uy, Pops. Ako may makuyawan na ninyo eh. Agay ko, nasakit akong dughan.
Поедем, потом вернемся.
Tala. Let's go, guys.
Может сегодня вычистить всю эту хуйню и нахуять. Ну, частично тогда. Если втроем все будем делать, то хотя бы один. Я вам один.
Our car is there. We don't have yet a parking lot. Parking, like really a parking space. But soon, we'll make it. I hope soon. Little by little. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Follow me, guys. Follow the leader, follow the leader. Okay, and we're going back to our payag because we're going to eat tabios.
Потом бак Почистить, ну, почистить сначала бак. Но потом можем так пройти.
А где мы тогда заходили, не помнишь?
Hey guys, so right now we have to do something in the city, but our appointment is still 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and right now it's still 11. So we ate brunch. This is actually our brunch here in our one of our favorite spot. Yeah, one of this is located in Valencia. Okay, so we have here with Gores. Now, this is our orders. I got veggie vegan. I'm not vegan. Veggie curry. Pops got my favorite. That's spicy chicken. And Vanya's,
My favorite too.
yeah,
Yeah, I like it.
Valencia
Here,
Express.
here,
Coconut milk.
no, meat, pure meat.
It's chicken, right?
Yeah.
And we also ordered their barbecue pizza, and our subscriber there at the back, he told us like, oh, we watch your videos, guys. Hi, subscriber. Yum.
We decided to stop here because I like here very yummy, very delicious balut here.
Yeah, balut here at Lami, unlike in our place, every time.
Yeah.
Every time we buy balut there, not good. There's only 1 or 2 good. When you buy 5, 1
Yeah.
or 2 good. Hey guys, so good evening. Right now we're walking. We just parked our car there. We asked the neighbor. We park it slowly, love. We park it there because the water is high and we couldn't
You can make
pass.
zero. Wait, huh? Wait.
Okay na. Russian.
No, continue.
And we couldn't pass because the water is high, strong rain. So we just park it there. And right now we're going to walk how many meters?
I don't know, maybe 500.
500 meters going to our place. Yay! You couldn't see, look at the water level. Oh, you cannot see, guys. Basta, I think you can hear the water flowing from the river. Strong, it means. Oh, the water's already here. You cannot see, guys. Hehehe.